Alex, and we are going to attempt ICT past year paper year 2013 paper 2 November. So we're going to do the database portion of the paper. We're going to attempt question number 33, where the question requires us to create a report that shows only records where contents is camera and product is a stock item. Obviously, a report cannot exist if there is no query. So in here, what I have is I've already put in a table. I need to create a brand new query. So to do so, make sure you click the Create tab here, okay, and then ensure that you also click that the query wizard, okay. And the query wizard here, we can under simple query here, just click OK. In the this option here where they ask you what fields you want to have, just select the whole thing for speed reasons, because after we've done all this, when we modify the query design, we can actually uncheck the things that we want or we don't want. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. We can straight select the whole lot for now. Now let's go back to the question and see that the question requires us to have camera as a criteria for content. So I'm just going to look for contents, and this is it. I'm going to type camera. And the next part of the question, they want us to ensure that the stock item exists. Okay, reading the question again, it says shows only the records where contents is camera and the product is a stock item. That means that this is a yes. Alright, I'm just going to run this and check. Yes, everything seems to be okay. All my contents are only the camera criteria is shown, and only the value yes or true, and -1 represents true, is shown. Okay, now after I create a query, what do I need to do right now is I have to create a report. Okay, so again, click the Create tab, click the Report wizard. It's going to ask me whether I want to save or not. Obviously I'm going to click yes. Now the question never asked me for any type of field, so I'm just going to select all. Okay, unless there is a very specific set of fields that they ask you to select, just select the whole lot. Okay, now the question also did not mention any grouping, so I'm going to ignore this page here. Click next. Then after that, what we're going to do is we are going to set an ascending order based on the code field, okay, because the question wants us to do so. Then the question also wants us to set this page into a landscape, because a report is actually a piece of paper. Okay, click next. Obviously we're going to modify the report design because a lot of the fields don't fit, like the ones at the back here. Okay, I'm just going to quickly go to print preview and see where I can adjust. Contents and location is one of the stuff that I can adjust. Okay, notice also the description here, they don't fit the whole text there, so we're going to make that fit. Okay, now let's start with making contents and location a bit smaller. Now the way I select the whole thing is basically press the control button, okay, and select multiple boxes. So that's how you select multiple things at a time. Right, now I'm just going to space them a little bit. I need to make sure that the text is readable. Right, and that should look good. Let's have a quick look. Okay, that looks good. Okay, now the problem with our description, it don't fit all the text, right? So under the detail part here, okay, just the detail part here, we make the box slightly bigger. Okay, and then let's have a look. Let's go to print preview, and as you can see, all the text fit now. Okay, and everything looks okay. This is what they want. Okay, the examiners will probably want to see all this, right? Let's go back to design view and see what other things that we need to do. Number one, we need to give it a brand new heading, and the heading should write list of cameras in stock. Now we have to follow it word by word, so it means that if there is a capital letter, follow it to the T. Okay, if there is no capital letter, then follow it exactly. Okay, because marks will be deducted if you do not follow instructions. Now the next portion, I'm just going to quickly read this out from the question. It says that the report must have your name, your center number, and candidate number on the right at the top of the report. Now, if I create a label and I put it in this portion here, okay, the report header portion here, right? I'm just going to quickly write my name. I'm going to write the center number of MY422. That is the real actual center number. when you guys go for the IGCSE exams. And I'm gonna make up a candidate number. I'm just gonna write 007 there. Okay. Now let's see now. Now if I write this label here, I put this label up here, right? I'm just gonna show you what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go to print preview, and as you can see, my name is actually on the top of the report. So that means that I've actually answered the question. No. If I go to the next page, my name do not appear, right? The reason in being is because my name label belongs in the report header, okay? So I need to actually reposition this. I need to put this somewhere else. The only place that I can put is actually the page header, because in the page header, it repeats itself, right? I'm just gonna go back to the preview and show you. These stuff here. These are all the page header. I'll go to the next page and you can see it again. So I'm just gonna put my name, my candidate, the label that has my name, my candidate number, and my center number in here. Okay. So I'm just gonna go back to design view really quickly. Now I'm gonna cut my label. I'm gonna pull this down slightly. Okay. Select the whole lot here. Okay. I'm gonna close my property sheet. Okay, so that I can see the whole thing. I'm gonna drop it down slightly so that I have some space to work with, and then after that I'm gonna paste my name. I need to make sure that my name is on the right side. Okay, let's have a quick look at the preview. See, my name appears here. Okay, then if I go to the next page, my name still needs to appear. Alright, this is exactly what we want. Alright, so let's go back to the design view and double check everything. Everything seems to be okay, and I think question number 33 is done. Right, so good luck.